Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, hidden behind a shimmering waterfall, there was a magical place called Fairyland. It was a place where the grass sparkled like emeralds, the flowers sang in harmony, and the trees whispered secrets to anyone who cared to listen. Fairyland was home to all kinds of magical creatures. Glittering fairies with wings as delicate as butterfly silk, wise old gnomes with twinkling eyes, and unicorns whose hooves made rainbows with every step. At the heart of Fairyland stood the Crystal Castle, where Queen Lyria, the kind and gentle ruler of the fairies, lived. One sunny morning, a little fairy named Poppy woke up to find something very unusual. The golden glow of the Fairyland sun was dim, and the singing flowers were quiet. "Something's wrong," Poppy said to her best friend, a chubby, giggling pixie named Twiddle. Poppy and Twiddle decided to visit Queen Lyria to find out what was happening. When they arrived at the Crystal Castle, they saw the Queen pacing nervously. "The great crystal that lights up Fairyland is losing its glow," she explained. "Without it, our magic will fade away." Poppy's tiny heart fluttered with determination. "We'll find a way to fix it, Your Majesty," she declared. Queen Lyria smiled. "You are brave, Poppy. The only way to restore the crystal's glow is by finding the Stardust Flower, which grows in the Misty Mountains." Poppy and Twiddle set off on their journey. They flew over glittering rivers, crossed bridges made of candy canes, and braved a dark forest where the trees tried to tickle them with their branches. Along the way, they met a friendly unicorn named Starry, who offered to guide them to the Misty Mountains. When they finally reached the Misty Mountains, they found the Stardust Flower blooming in a hidden cave. It shimmered like 1,000 tiny stars, but just as Poppy reached out to pick it, a grumpy troll appeared. "Who dares enter my cave?" he bellowed. Poppy stepped forward bravely. "We need the Stardust Flower to save Fairyland. Please let us take it," she pleaded. The troll frowned. "I'll let you take it, but only if you can solve my riddle." He cleared his throat and recited, "I'm not alive, but I can grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. What am I?" Poppy thought hard. Twiddle scratched his head. Finally, Starry the unicorn whispered, "The answer is fire." "Fire!" Poppy exclaimed. The troll's frown turned into a toothy grin. "Correct. You may take the flower." With the Stardust Flower in hand, Poppy and her friends hurried back to Fairyland. Queen Lyria crushed the flower's petals into a fine powder and sprinkled it over the great crystal. Instantly, it began to glow brighter than ever, filling Fairyland with light and magic once more. The flowers sang, the grass sparkled, and the trees clapped their branches in joy. Queen Lyria hugged Poppy and said, "You've saved Fairyland. You're a true hero." From that day on, Poppy and Twiddle were known as the bravest adventurers in Fairyland, and their story was told for generations.